Hey guys, Lucas here in Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over a great general purpose pouch. So what we got here is the Eagle Industries 9x3x5 utility pouch, and that name kind of says it all. But what it is a wide general purpose pouch, and it's a pretty great pouch. I actually really love these ones, and the way they're laid out is good, and it's been copied by, or not necessarily copied, but it's a common design you'll see across a lot of manufacturers and a lot of pouches. But in its essence, it's a wide horizontal GP pouch. It's got MOLLE webbing on the front, so if you want to throw some other pouches or accessories on the front, it's good to go for that. On the back, it's going to take up a decent amount of MOLLE space, but not too much. You can throw it pretty much anywhere in your kit or backpack you want to. It's got the hook and loop flap on top, so it's easy to close in a hurry, so you can get where you're going and then you can close it, which is always a nice feature. And it's got a wide two-way zipper. Inside, you got some elastic bands for organizing stuff. So if you want to use a big first aid kit, or it's already kind of set up for that. Otherwise, it's good for like binos, marking material, anything you need to put that's a little bulkier. This is a good pouch for that. So yeah, zips right up real easy, and it's got the hook and loop flap to close it up real easy too. Overall, just good pouch and easy to use. Carry a lot of different stuff. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you've used this pouch or used something similar, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to us also. Also, head on over to VentureSurplus.com. Check out all of our newest, greatest, and latest gear. And if you want to see what we're restocking every week, make sure you subscribe to our email list, because there you'll see twice a week everything we just got in, as well as our new items.